in from the opposition. Sources are telling us that the opposition will write to Prime Minister Modi demanding the implementation of the old women's reservation bill. Parties in the INTI alliance will hold press conferences across the country to state that they support women's reservation, but the government was trying to change the political map of the country under its guise. Anand is still with us on the broadcast. Anand, by when could we expect all of these press conferences across the country?
Yeah, Pia, look, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be first addressing an important press conference at 12 noon. So clearly, she will be one of the first opposition leaders to clearly come forward and speak that why the Congress party and all the opposition parties, they stalled this delimitation along with the women's reservation bill, as this was very categorical from the opposition that they were not against the women's reservation bill. And if the government wanted the women's reservation bill to be implemented, then they could have done, implemented the same in the existing 543 seats. So clearly, this has been the demand of the Congress party, as they clearly mentioned that how the government was trying to hoodwink women, and they were trying to mislead them that opposition was against the women's reservation bill, as they categorically said that they were against delimitation and they wanted to have fair representation across the country, and there should not be any kind of injustice with them. So clearly, what we have learned from our sources is also that the Congress party as well as several of the India bloc partners will be writing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding that this women's reservation bill should be implemented from 2029, and as this bill was passed 30 months ago, it means September 23. So clearly, they want this bill to be implemented with the existing strength of the Lok Sabha and also in the State Assembly, and they are going to hit back at the government, as they will be holding several of the press conferences across the country. And soon we will come to know when Priyanka Gandhi addresses the press conference, what are the plans of the Congress party, and when Congress is planning to do such kind of press conferences across the country, whereas we have seen that how Trinamool Congress as well as the DMK, they are targeting government, they are directly accusing it of how they were trying to impose delimitation on them. Back to you, Priya.
All right, Anand, I'd like to thank you for joining us all the way from Tamil Nadu.